Hey everyone, Jamie here. I wanted to do a quick video on how to replace your oven heating element. If your heating element is not working at all or working inconsistently or having issues, this is a really easy fix. Make sure you have the proper element for your oven model. But all it really is turning off the power. Make sure you do that first. Then removing the screws that hold the heating element to the back of the oven. Taking the screws off may be a little tricky if they're rusted in like mine were. The left one came out for me, but the right one actually did not come out. You can try and extract that screw if you want to. But the way this heating element is set up, I was able to just screw the left screw in and it held it in place because the heating element has footers around it which keep it level. But once you have the power off and you remove those two screws, it's pretty much pulling it out, disconnecting the electrical connectors, and then adding the new heating element and reconnecting those electrical connectors, pushing it back in, and then screwing the screws back into place. Once you're done, that's pretty much it. Just turn the power back on and test it out. But I did this about a year ago and it's been working really good. We are trying to keep our oven running a little longer until we do our kitchen upgrade. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.